of election 2020, 7 December 2020, day of election. Suto according to history now, the BCC actually. At this time, okay, so what can a man of the hour opportunity to be here? Abanako inside high speed station. I still couple are watching. Ghana for peace.